iPhone. Most of the people dream mobile and is going to release its new OS update. We all know that 1 year ago they had released iOS 13. Recently, Apple released beta iOS 14 update. Final version is likely to be released in September along with iPhone 12. In this video, I am going to explain about significant features of iOS 14. Without any delay, let us have a look at it. Let me know your favorite feature in comment section. Stack of widgets. The widget functionality isn't limited to the home screen and rising. You can place a stock of widgets on the home screen based on the time and day. For example, it will showcase maps widget in the morning, calendar in the noon, and health widget at night. Smart Stack saves space on the home screen. You can also swipe up and down on the stock to go to the added widgets. Pin multiple conversations in messages. iOS 14 lets you pin your important conversations on the top. Swipe right on the conversation and select the pin option. It makes sense for a single conversation. But if you want to pin or unpin several conversations, go for that. You can tap on the menu above and select the edit pin option. It will allow you to pin or unpin multiple conversations quickly. Filters in messages. The new filters menu in messages automatically arrange messages based on known senders, unknown senders, promotions, transactions and junk. We have seen similar implementation on the Android side. It's good to see Apple taking steps to declutter the messages inbox. This feature is only available in India through Sleep Mode. The bedtime mode in iOS 13 is now replaced by the new Sleep Mode. In iOS 14, you can set the sleep goal in the Health app and it will turn on to the Do Not Disturb mode, and this can also simplify your lock screen. At your scheduled bedtime, you can turn or off sleep mode from the control center. Wind down. Wind down is related to sleep mode. It will reduce distractions and help you to relax before going to bed. You can set a time to enable wind down before starting sleep mode. New Siri automation for charging low power mode. In iOS 14, Siri shortcuts has received some welcome changes. Now you can set automation when the device is charging or using low power mode. For example, you can set Siri to turn off DND, Bluetooth, reduce brightness, turn off location and more when the iPhone goes into the low power mode. New UI in Shortcuts Gallery ready to go. Siri shortcuts in the gallery menu now shows bigger thumbnails and more information. We know how Apple has played with different colors to differentiate the shortcut. Security recommendations. In iCloud Keychain, iOS 14 alert users about the data breach and potential password leaks. It will display the account and provide you the link to change the password on the website. Apple calls it security recommendations and it's a part of iCloud Keychain. Mirror front camera. iOS 14 now lets you capture mirror selfies. What you see is what you get in the final results from the front camera. It's disabled by default. You can enable the options by going into the settings app on the iPhone. Scroll down to camera and enable the mirror front camera option. Add an app to library. In iOS 14, when you try to delete an app, the system will offer you the option to add the app to the library menu. In this way, you can remove the app from the home screen, but it will stay on the device in the app library. Smart downloads in India. Starting with iOS 14, you can download Indian Siri voices and software updates as well as download and Apple TV shows over cellular networks for the first time. New user interface for adding time and date. You will find a new bubble system user interface for adding time and date throughout the operating system. Notify me in messages. When you enable this option from the message settings, the notify me option will bypass the muted conversations and sends you a notification when someone mentions you in a group chat. Back tap in accessibility. This one is really cool with iOS 14. You can now double tap or triple tap on the back of the iPhone. Now quickly access the home, app switcher, notification center, Siri take a screenshot and more. It's buried inside the settings. Now go to the accessibility, then touch back tap menu. The good news is that the back tap even works if you have a case on the iPhone. Currently I have set OS to take a screenshot. When I double tap on the back, Banner notification for Bluetooth device connection. This is a welcome change in iOS 14 and views a small banner notification along with Bluetooth device name, including connected option. No need to go back to control center to see which device got connected over Bluetooth. Indicator. When an app is using camera or microphone in background with iOS 14, the system will display a tiny green dot beside the Wi-Fi icon. When the app is using the device camera, you will notice an orange dot at the same place. Long press the back button to bring up the history mode. In iOS 14, if you are deep in a navigation stack and want to quickly head back to the level, you can long press the back button to bring up the history mode. It can be useful when you are deep inside the settings app and want to move back to the main homepage with a single click. Change video format in the camera app. For years, users have been asking Apple to allow them to change video resolution and format from the camera app. Apple finally listened to them. With the iOS 14 update, now you can change video resolution and format from the user videos and interface in the camera app. Just tap on the video format and frame rates at the upper right corner to switch between the available options. The option was already available on iPhone 11 devices running with iOS 13.3, but now with iOS 14, Apple is adding it for all iPhones. Swipe away an incoming call to hide it. As I explained, iOS 14 has added support for new caller user interface as a banner notification. You can swipe it and the OS will put it in upper left corner. The gesture won't declare the call. For that, you have to tap on the end button in the banner notification. Reminder to charge AirPods. iOS 14 will send you a notification as a reminder to charge your AirPods and adds a more value for the iPhone and AirPods users. Privacy report in Safari browser. In iOS 14, when you visit a website and tap on the font menu in the address bar, it will showcase the tracking report option. The report displays the unknown trackers, prevented websites, that connected trackers and more. Precise location toggle. In iOS 14, certain apps can ask your precise location. The option is automatically enabled for ride-hailing apps such as Uber and food ordering apps like Swiggy. If you disable the option, then the apps can access your approximate location. Notification when an app or widgets read your clipboard data. iOS 14 will display a banner notification on the top when an app or widget read your clipboard data. For example, if you copy text from notes and open the Google Chrome app, a notification appears that says Chrome pasted from notes. The notification will disappear after a few seconds. Faster JavaScript performance in Safari. On iOS 14 features, the new JavaScript engine performance is 2x faster, which is greater than the Chrome on Android 10. iOS 14 is comfortable with these devices. I hope you all got good stuff. For more information, please visit our website and join social media. The links are mentioned in our description box. Please go through it. This is Aarti signing off. For latest technical updates, please do like, share and subscribe to FIN. Thank you.